Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the global stars? The global stars, we seen them flying a little bit earlier on. They're just going to go and gather themselves together on the right hand side, build themselves up into the formation. Team today led by Mark Jeffries. And on his left wing, there's Chris, and on his right wing he has John. So the aircraft now dead centre to the display area, tracking along from the right hand side to the left hand side. Make out the sparkly wick-work light on the wings of the extras there. And running from the display up above the big tree to the left hand side, give a big welcome for the second time today to the global stars. Back to the barriers, please. Left hand side, back Beth. Back to the barriers.
I guess we know the score. On and on. Does anybody know what we are looking for? Another hero, another mindless crime behind the curtain. In the pantomime. Hold the line. Does anybody want to take it anymore? Show must go on.
And there we go, the fireworks fired.
Inside my heart is breaking. My makeup may be flaking, but my smile still stays on. Whatever happens,
Giant waterfall pyrotechnics there on the wings of the extras.
another heartache, another fatal romance. On and on. Does anybody know what we are living for? I guess I'm learning. I must be warm now. I'll soon be turning round the corner now. Outside the dawn is breaking, but inside in the dark I'm making something free. Show must go on.
And now the display split into two halves. On the right hand side now we have Mark Jeffries, and on the left hand side Chris and John.
My makeup may be flaking, but my smile still stays on.
straight ahead, straight above the ring of fire, centre stage. This is the camera shot. So not only have we got pyrotechnics on the aircraft with this display, we're also going to have some pyrotechnics on the ground. Some of them might be a little bit loud, so this is a little pre-warning just to let you know that the fireworks you might hear will be loud. If you've got any pets, any small children that might be upset by the loud pyrotechnics, then this is your pre-warning now. So looking straight ahead again, this is Mark Jeffries with the solo part of his display. Champion aerobatic pilot. Mark Jeffries leads the team based down at Little Granton Airfield. And the Global Stars will be landing at the end of their display to join us for the firework display that we're going to see a little bit later on tonight. Your prayers will be answered. Let God whisper how to tell me you need me. I see that you're bleeding. You don't need to show me again. But if you decide to, and now if we look to the left-hand side of the flying line, running in now, straight down the runway. And here they come again from the right hand side, more fireworks on the aircraft list. Coming up there into a nice big loop. You get a really good display there of the fireworks.
Plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again. Do you ever feel this so paper thin, like a house of cards, broken caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? If there's a spark in you, you just gotta ignite.
So ladies and gentlemen, get your cameras ready.
We're all relying on Tristan now. So as the aircraft swing round from the right hand side, they're going to come straight towards us. And here they come now, straight towards us, crowd centre. Now, well, that, ladies and gentlemen, that